Hey, what's happening? Hey, thanks for popping in. All right. I'm going to be day trading the S&P 500 futures today. Glad you're here. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jeff. I've been trading for 16 years. Now, I've been trading primarily option trading. That's my specialty. TTM squeeze, flags, breakouts, calendars, strangles, stuff like that. But I have been day trading the S&P 500 for the last 5 years. This past year, somebody introduced me to prop firm trading, so I'm going to be trading Apex, $50,000 evaluation. Now, if you watch this and you want to end up trading with me and joining the school, check down below in the description, all right? You can also become a channel member. And I day trade Monday, Wednesday, and Friday live for channel members and students. And then Tuesday and Thursday for you, if you're not a channel member. Welcome aboard. All right. I'll be checking out the chat when I can. I'm going to let students into the room. So I will get over to the chat as fast, as much as I can. But I am going to be trading live. So that's always the number one priority. But hey, let me know where you are from. Say, what's up? And let's see what we got. What's up, Mitch? Mitch! Shit. Good to see you, Mitch. Good morning. Let's see what we got today, brother. All right. We did have unemployment 730, exactly as forecasted. Exactly. So that's why the market didn't do much. We have existing home sales at 9. We'll see how that shakes it out. We'll see how that does it. But other than that, we're good to go. Let's see how this bad boy opens up, right? Oh, man. Let's do it. 4. Market's up 4. Oh, you're going to try M and Q. All right. Hey, why not, right? Why not, Mitch? Got 2 minutes before this market opens. We're up 6. We're going to have to see how it shakes out, my friend. We shall see how it shakes out. Yep. We are bullish over here, bullish strong. So we'll have to see here. Yesterday was another wild day. I think it was yesterday? I can't remember, but maybe it was yesterday. I was looking at it. I was trading in the afternoon, and I swear there was a candle that was so big. I don't remember, but you just never know. This market's been really weird. Really weird. But this is a normal opening. I like these normal openings more than I like the gap up or gap downs. That sucks. We have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening, brother?
Finally a day where there wasn't a huge gap up or gap down.
That's exactly what I just said. This is probably the first normal open in a while.
Now there's still time for crack, though.
Yeah, exactly right. Exactly. We'll see. We got 10 seconds. Market, going to open up here about 10, starting to pick up. We'll see. All right. I will see if it's synced up. That's one of the things that I need to make sure the first couple minutes that I am synced up with Sierra Charts. Sometimes it doesn't seem to sync up properly. So
I've also found that if I sync up my windows with the clock, it helps too.
really?
If you go to settings, there's a place in there where it's time and date.
On Sierra Charts?
No, in your basic Windows setup, it will sync your computer to the clock.
Oh, really?
Additional settings, sync now, and it syncs the clock. I haven't synced it for like a week and a half, and it was 4 or 5 seconds off of the clock on my main computer.
Oh, really?
And there's a sync button, sync now. I've been trying to get in the habit of syncing it every morning, and it.
How do you do that?
So you go to the setting, the window thing in the bottom on the left. Just go one over farther.
Right there?
Yep, or you would start it or shut it. Oh, that one is different than mine. I've got Windows. You want to go to settings in there.
Okay.
And when that comes up, you want to go to, there's a time and I think it's system settings. And there should be a time setting in there. I'll check it out. I've got another computer that has the old one on. So if you want to get back to the markets,
okay,
I'll go through it and give you the skinny on it.
Yeah, let me know for sure, brother. Appreciate it.
Yep.
All right, so we are a couple minutes here. I'm just kind of letting it do what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna put a key level here to 02. Now, I do have this line right here. This was yesterday's close. I don't know if I'm going to keep it pink, but I think I am going to start marking that key level. Yesterday's close, yesterday's open, yesterday's high, and yesterday's low. So that is yesterday's close. $54.14. We're at bullish strong. We're rising, so I'm going to do my full positions. 15 target. Yeah. Cool. All right. Yeah, I look like I'm synced up right now, so that's good. The other day, I swear it was weird. I put a buy signal and it sold it for some damn reason. All right. Let's see what we got. I think I'm okay to start going now. We're inside this 3-minute range. I'm locked and loaded. Let's see what we got. Our bullish week over here. But I'm bullish strong. And my, I call it my micro momentum, but that's rising. Ticks are 387. All right, so we have this intermediate confirmation. Let's see if it confirms, and I'm going to go long. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. It's too crowded. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if what we got. Make sure I'm on the right eval. Shit. I bought a lot of evals yesterday. I did exactly what you were saying. Those other ones were going to renew at like 30-something bucks. So I was like, fuck, 2 for 1. So I canceled those and kind of bought 2 new ones to replace them. So that was good. It was cheaper. Two. Okay, these are syncing. All right, so we We confirmed this. So we did confirm this intermediate confirmation. Now I'm just going to see if I can get an entry signal. Bouncing around quite a bit right now. Just kind of testing this level. That broke a little bit. If this candle closes red, this is going to push this line down. I do want to be long, though. At least right now. So that did not, that confirmed, but there was no signal, so it failed, right? Now, what I want to see here is I would like to see some type of divergence down here. You know, the signal that I lost in the morning yesterday was that damn cluster. That cluster does not seem to be as strong as the divergence. So I might reconsider that cluster. I mean, I guess I'll continue to try it. But if it continues to lose, I'll have to abandon that cluster signal. Yesterday I lost $75, man. I traded one trade in the afternoon and I lost $50. I had 25 in the morning. So I broke my streak. You know what? We got us a divergence. I'm going to look to get in this trade. If we can, so I didn't even notice that. It's kind of popped up. So we did close above it. So I'm going to look to enter this trade if I can get a signal. It probably won't. This candle was too big. But why not, right? That kind of just popped up out of nowhere. I do love that divergence. Thing is, sometimes you get these really large candles. When you get those large candles, it's kind of sucks. It's okay. All right. So that trade's going to go up without me. I taught you my entry signal yesterday, so I didn't get it. Ticks are 590. I wanted to get in on this divergence, but that candle was a little bit too big. It didn't pull back enough. So I'm waiting. Oh. No, I canceled that order. Man, wish I wouldn't have now. I just want to be consistent, man, and continue to practice. The thing I'm really focusing on the most now is my trade management. I just want to, if I can get and do it a little bit better, that's what I'm working on a lot, man. It's my reward to risk. Again, I don't mind losing, but I want that loss to be small. So that's where I'm continuing to try to improve on. The signals are fine. They are what they are. It's now the trade management. That's what I'm working on the most. And I'll adjust it if necessary, man. You got to continue to monitor, do, review, and improve, right? We don't got to change, but we're always trying to improve. I want to start consistently passing these fucking evals, man. And then trading these PAs consistently and start like God dang, actually start making money with these Eval or these Apex shit, dude. I feel like I'm finally over that other fiasco that we did with the Rebecca. So now I just perfecting. And again, we've had some crazy times. It's been difficult with that volatility, right? All right, we're popping up through. If you can see down here, we had a trap. So we're popping up through here, breaking this key level. We'll see if it's a fake out or a trap. It's looking strong. Again, we trapped down here. Everything's rising up. Bam. All right, so we closed. I got a feeling that's going to keep going up, but let's see if we trap to the upside, but I don't think so. I might come down here and test it and go to work. Yeah, that's what we think, right? Remember, this is that 1 minute candle. Look at how it opened up, right? That's a good one. I'm not in it. It's not one of my signals, right? We were doing that signal before, but the 2-point stop loss just was not working out. Not now. All right. What I am going to do is I'm going to mark this level down here at the bottom, 98.50. Okay. So we got a key level here, there. I like it. We came down and we tested it. A lot of patience, right? We're 12 minutes in, right? We've got a nice little, after that trap, we've had a nice move up. All right. Attaboy, Mitch. Nice little move up. Damn. I tried to get filled here. See, this is something that I got to watch. It has done this maneuver a lot. That's something I'm going to pay attention to, because had I got tripped, remember, I wanted to get triggered here, right? This was what I was looking for, that divergence. We called it. It did come back. I got to start watching that exact maneuver right here. That would have got me in, and this trade will be crushing it. I'd already be up a chingases. I'm going to watch that pattern right there. That happens a lot. All right, you got a bearish divergence. Could pull back and give us an entry, but that pattern right there, I'm telling you, man, that's something I need to watch. All right. So we got 30 seconds before the 15-minute range is set up. That was a nice breakout of that key level. It held, and it went up. All right, there we go. All right, so 23.75. See if we can break it. All right. So we got several key levels. This is our 3-minute high, 3-minute low, yesterday's close, and our 15-minute range. So we got a lot of key levels, right? Like to pull back into one of those key levels, right? That'd be beautiful. We got the VWAP grinding. So. All right. Do we have any news here at 8:45? I cannot remember. We have existing home sales at 9. It's in moderate, so I don't know if it's going to have an effect. We'll see. We're grinding it. All right. So we're... Damn it, dude. I wish I would have got in that trade. Fuck. All right, so this is a strong candle above our 15-minute high. God dang it, I wanted to get in here. Man, I'd still be in that trade. Well, I probably would have already hit my target of 15 points, man, but shit. Just remember that pattern, man. That's the pattern. I'm telling you, there's something up to that. All right, nice strong close. So let's see. Damn it. You know, it sucks when you see that move, right? And you wanted to get in. I even said it, man. I was looking for a divergence. I wanted to get in. This little son of a bitch, I canceled it, came back. Bam. That would have did it. That would have did it. Fuck. Now it's just going up. I'm going to do shit now. Let me see what everything's doing. So you got Dow Jones is actually down. Gold's up. Oil's up. NASDAQ's up. Russell's up. Dow Jones down. A little bit. All right. Maybe we'll get something now. We're sitting right on top of that key level. All right. Came down to the 8 exponential move on average. Okay. So I'm looking for my signal, right? I want to go long. Damn it. Look at that. Look at that. God damn it. That's going to drag this line up. Told you. See that right there? That was the move right there. That's what I looked for. I didn't get triggered. That would have paid off nicely. That divergence and that intermediate confirmation signal seem to be the best ones with this approach. God damn it. All right, kind of just chopping around up here. I guess it's better not to take a trade and take a trade and lose, right? But that was my favorite shot, man. That is actually my favorite shot, I think. Look at it go. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. Damn it. It's been a nice move up, man. This is what bothers me, man, when it keeps taking off and I don't have a damn entry signal. This is where that urge to just really jump in out of pissed offness. But not going to do it. Just gotta wait now, unfortunately. Ticks are 600. Motherfucker, dude. Damn it. That was the shot right there, son of a bitch. We're rising over here on all time frames, man. You got a double bearish cluster on a 15-minute, but again, that don't mean nothing unless it's confirmed. Well, shooting star, right? Well, shooting star needs confirmation, though. You had that black squeeze, right? Fired. Love to see this pull back, man. Give me a freaking entry. This might could be a head and shoulders, right? If it comes back here, right? Could go up, go back. We'll see. I just want an entry, man. You got an inside bar. See that inside bar? Boom, breaking down. So that could be a strong signal right there. Pops through that and goes up. Damn, look at that. Shit. All right. I need it to pull back, man. We have a couple minutes before that 30-minute range sets up, right? Just be patient, I guess just be patient. All it takes is 1 or 2 shots a day. Might as well not waste it. This little fucker right here. Don't do it. Yeah. The 15-minute range trade is both good and bad, right? Sometimes it works. Sometimes it don't. Today, it worked. This is pissing me off, man. It pulled back nicely, though, right? Bam, bam. I can't get a signal. This is where it really starts to bother me. These are trades that I was taking back in the days with my 2-point stop, right? But fuck. Give a shit. Ugh. It's twice, though, that it did not pull back into that zone. Twice. If you want it to go down, just have me jump in long, and then it'll go down. Another bearish divergence. All right. Last time we had it. That was beautiful. Too bad I wasn't in it. Damn it, dude. Son of a bitch. That was a nice range. Look at that. We had that damn divergence that we were looking for. Oh, I hate watching that move go up without me. Boy, that pisses me off, actually. Like, big time pisses me off. That bearish divergence disappeared. All right, we got 1 minute. I don't know, man. That might be the only move for the whole morning. It's probably going to be the only move for the whole fucking morning, man. God. I just don't want to chase. And I'm talking out loud because I know you go through those same emotions, right? Those same emotions of you're looking for an entry, it doesn't happen, then it takes off without you. This is real life. It takes off without you, and you're upset, right? Because you're like me. You're like, fuck, you hate watching it go up without you. So what I'm talking about out loud is I know how you feel. Because it's the same emotions I go through even after trading for so damn long. It pisses me off. But we got all day, right? We have all day. One shot, two. If we get that one shot, boom. All right, so this was yesterday's. Let me see. What did I do? This was yesterday's open, right? I think that's what it was. Yesterday's open. I got to remember what colors I did. I agree. Mitch says it's a toss-up between taking a loser and knowing it would have worked. I think the latter is worse. Yeah, me too, man. Toss-up, right? Taking a loser or knowing it would have worked. I know. That's a tough one, man. Damn. All right, so we got our 30-minute range. Again, I'm on the sidelines so far. So, you on YouTube, I'm jumping off. I'm going to continue to trade inside our school. So, if you want to trade with us, option trade, talk crypto, whatever, join the school. If not, I will bid you farewell. I'll be live tomorrow for bronze members or platinum. And of course, students. All right, let's see if we can get some action for the rest of the morning. Peace out, my friend on YouTube.